I can't wait to show you guys what is inside. If it's something you're not used to, you start feeling all kinds of way. Oh my god, you know.
Shine bright up all night. Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous.
I'm happy there was no traffic first of all. I got here safely. So today we are going to be making rice and sauce. So everything is ready. So I got a package from Jumia this evening. So I can't wait to show you guys what it is. I told you guys I was going to show you what's inside the box, so let's open it. You know, we are in that stage where we break out, we have acne, and so we are looking for products that would actually clear our acne, spots, everything that has to do with skin issues. These are the products I got. So guys, I'm going to go and gym. I feel a mess. I wish I could go back to sleep. If it's something you're not used to, you start feeling all kinds of way. That's my sister, guys. So dark and beautiful. Okay, for now I'll take
What's braised pork? Braised pork now. Pork. Are you going to eat out of this case for someone else? Maybe. Are they bringing? They are bringing me back.
Is it better here?
A little bit.
Had to change my hair though because I was not fading it like that. So why you doing Shakara? She's angry with me, guys. See fine girl. Okay, so we just got back. This was not an outing we actually planned for. I had fun today. I met up with some family members. And I was
Nigeria. Look, I'm living a
So I wanted to even talk about the situation about school. Very bad. They shut down school because of coronavirus, and now we're back to virtual classes. I hated the fact that I got a lot of calls. I'm this kind of person that does not like phone calls naturally. So I got a lot of calls on that day, which I was very grateful for, that people actually cared. But I was not happy when a particular person called me and was like, I heard you guys have corona in your school. And I'm like, sorry, like, come again. You guys have corona in your school. I just had to finish, I had to allow her to finish what she had to say. But I was offended because you cannot categorize everybody in the school to have coronavirus. No, it's just like a few people in the school that had coronavirus. There's a way you can actually put it to people and be like, oh, I heard some people contacted the virus in your school. I hope you're okay. That's good, not telling me that I heard you people in your school have coronavirus. I felt that was really insulting. But, you know, she might not mean anything, but I felt offended by it. And did I tell her about it? No. But hopefully she watches this video and she knows I'm actually talking to her. So thank you guys for watching my video. You know I love you. You know I love you. So don't forget to like, share, comment, because you guys don't do that often, and please do, it's very important. And subscribe, that's the ultimate. To those who newly subscribed, I see you guys, I see you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Join me on this journey, it's going to be a blast. Bye bye.